Okay, so if not, all right, I would want to carry on today's lesson. This lesson, we are going to do question that is on revision one. Okay, like previous topics that you have learned. Because we are now preparing for that CWA that time. So the following week, we also want to recap to make your foundation stronger. Okay, all right. So I believe, Ryan, you also have the worksheet with you for this worksheet 19, right? I'm going through the answer. Because yesterday when I go to your system, you have not done yet. So did you do or not in the end?
I do the wrong one.
Well, what did you do?
I think I did 20.
Oh, you did. That means you can access 20. Access 20. Okay. Let me go and check first. Give me a minute. From here, I see if I can see your 20. Okay, let me check. Never mind. P4. Dashboard P4. 20. Don't have because your name is not there, so you cannot access 20. So you must also make sure that what you are having now is the correct worksheet.
I don't think it's the correct one.
Sure, correct, If correct, then it's okay. No worries. Okay. You did go into the system this morning, 10:46. Yeah,
my one, the first question was multiple choice.
Worksheet 19 is a multiple choice. Then very funny. Okay, you have my share screen, right? Never mind. Later, wait. Let me see this thing first. Oh. Are you seeing my share screen in the first place? Do you see? Today is worksheet 19. Let me check. My 19 is correct. No, mine is not a multiple choice. Do you think you have a WhatsApp with you, Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay, you take a picture and send it to my number. I give you the number over the chat here. I want to make sure everything is correct. Okay, I write my eyes. You show me how does your worksheet look like. Otherwise, it is a wrong worksheet, then no point. You must get the correct one.
No.
It should be tutorial 19. And my question 1 looks like this.
Paragraphs?
Yes. Zhixuan, is yours the same as mine?
Yeah.
So that means correct. 对. That means Zhixuan one gotten the one is correct. So only Ryan. Let me check your system, Ryan. It's okay, don't panic. Question 19 here. Worksheet. Ryan. Correct, And then you went into the system 20th of May, which is today, in the morning, 10:45, that timing. So you should be the correct one. There, you did what? You went in the correct worksheet. I saw yours. It's just that it's unattempted only. Okay, all right, so never mind. If you don't have, go to log into your account and see whether you can retrieve or not. All right, so meanwhile, I will go through the answers together with you again. Now, all right? Okay, how many students borrowed more than 2 books? So meaning to say he's asking for, oh, okay, is this you? Yes, it's me. You are sending me, huh? I think I have not changed my name also. ADA Tuition. Okay, let me change my name for you. Okay, but meanwhile, I go through first, never mind, huh? Okay, later you slowly catch up. Borrow more than 2 books. Okay. Zixuan, what is your answer?
4.
Why 4 leh? You see, he's asking you for how many what?
Students.
So where is your how many student? Okay, I'm going to
What?
highlight. Where's the student here? The number of students is here.
48.
Not only that. Okay, you look here. This is the number of students. Okay, I'm going to show you. You can see my color pen moving, right?
Yes.
So he said more than 2 books are people who is here. That means this one borrow 3 books, he borrow 4 books. Correct or not? More than this, ma. So you look at here. So if you take a look, what is the reading here? So it's 30. So each one is 2, ma, correct? So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. A product of 3, 4, 6, and 12. Zixuan, I think yours, how come yours come out to be 1 out of 11? Give me a second. 1 out. Okay. Ryan, will you be able to help me to take a picture of the title? What worksheet number is that? Then I can send it to the technical side to ask them why is it a different set being in your system. Okay. Ryan, let me talk to Ryan a while.
I did the wrong date one.
Correct. Today is the 19th. So this one is for next week. Question 1 before. Let me check. Question 1. The product of this. Yeah, this one is for next week, my dear. Never mind, it's okay. But you can keep this first. Don't worry. If you join us next week, then you don't have to do homework already. So good. Okay, never mind. Ryan, can you go and log in into your account? Okay, then you download your so-called your worksheet, current worksheet now. Then you can have the question. Okay, worksheet. I give you the worksheet number lah. Worksheet 19. Okay, once you get it, then you tell me. But I'm quite surprised you can access the number 20 already. So fast. Okay, so Zixuan, let's continue from here while Ryan will go and download his paper. Where's my ruler? Okay, so then just now we are saying that this is, just now we are here, right, Zixuan? This is 2, 4, 6, 8, right? Then 10.
Yeah.
Here, the red one I'm writing should be 38, right? Okay. So So 30 and 8. So 38 is here. Right. Then now, those who borrowed 4 here, it will be 48, right? Am I right? So the
Yeah.
total number of students, it will be 38 and 48 of them. Because they are, these are the students that are, how to say, that are borrowing for more than 2 books. Okay, so you have to add up 38 plus 48, then you got 16, then 86. Okay?
Yeah.
Very careful. Read between.
Is it this?
I won't be able to see because, wait, you give me a minute.
Is it this?
Wait, you must write. Yeah, 对了, yeah. Correct. I saw the graph. If you can download without printing, if you have the printer, then you print. No printer is okay. You can use your handphone, then just scroll it down, then do it at the same time, Then isn't it better? 一起做嘛 Can or not?
Can.
Okay, good. Then next one. Number 1 okay or not, Ryan? You understand what?
Yeah.
Go to number 2. Just share number 2 now. Okay, he said arrange the fraction and begin with the largest one. So you see, you have 5 out of 2. So what I want to do is, I'm going to look at this. I separate all the fraction, 1.5. If you don't, what will happen? All are squeezed there is so difficult to see. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to mixed number. All these we call them improper fraction here. All right, there is a name for the fraction. This is called improper fraction. This is called improper fraction. All right, which one is the improper fraction? This one. Which one is the improper fraction? This one. Then what do you call this? We call this
Mixed number.
Wow, great job. Thank you. This is called mixed number. So I put down the mixed number, never mind. Okay, then 9, I also change this to, do you know how to change to mixed number or not?
Yeah.
I show you one method. I don't know whether you like or not, but I just share with you. Okay, when you have 9 out of 4, you do this.
You divide.
Yes. Then how to know? Very simple. You see, I'm going to do it in a very systematic way. Now, numerator is inside. Denominator is outside. Am I right now? So this one will be inside. Then the outside one will be 4. Okay? You understand how I arrange them?
Yeah.
Now I want to do something. See.
9 divided by 4.
Then you got 2, then minus 8, 1. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to do highlight here. You see,
The 2 is the whole.
Yes. 2, 1, 4. Look, I'm going to do something which is very see. I want to do a, what do you call this? Like a water cycle.
Yeah.
Right? You know what is a water cycle?
Yeah.
So where is the first number? 2.
2.
Then go to where? 1.
1.
Then go to where?
4.
Yeah. Then it's 2, 1, 4.
Yeah.
Oh, have you learned this method before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just learned it.
Wow. Okay, so then you see, as you go along, it doesn't matter whether it's a new topic or I say, hey, I learned already. Because as you go along, you pick up new thing, Am I right? So I continue from where I convert, Okay, I'm doing it very slowly, 2 times 4, 8, 8 and 1/4. Okay, for the sake, because you all are new student, So I also want to let you know that, the pace I'm going through is slower than for those who are with me. Those with me already, they already go through all this, so they are faster. Okay, all right. So then after that, we must rearrange